So this is the 2381 paper, November 2008, Unit 2, Stage 1. So question 1, use your calculator to work out this. This is where it's really important that you get yourself a Casio type calculator, or at least one with this sort of fraction type button, because for other questions, it's going to be really, really helpful to have that type of calculator. We can type this in exactly. Square root sign, 12.63 plus 18 squared. Okay, type it exactly how you see it, press equals. Write down all the figures on your calculator display. I would press the SD button, get it as a decimal, and let's write that whole thing down. So 18.34747939. Okay, copy it all down exactly as you see it. Right, simplify, collect like terms. So 8e take away e is going to give us 7e. And then we've got minus 3f, take away another 3f, is going to give me minus 6f. Expand, so 2 times 3c is going to give me 6c. And then 2 times negative 2 is going to give me negative 4. This one I need to factorize. Factorize means take out like terms. I'm going to look for a bracket as well. What is in both terms? What can I take out of both is going to be x. X times y gives me xy. What do I need to times by x to get 3x? 3. So my final answer is x, y plus 3. Okay, next question. So now I've got angles and parallel lines. The first thing I need to be thinking is those that make a shape of a Z. So that Z angle, we're not calling it Z angles, we're calling it alternate angles. Ones that make a Z shape, alternate angles are equal. So I know, if there's my Z, this angle here is 53 degrees. I also know that F angles, so corresponding angles, are equal. So that would be this 127 would be equal to this here, 127. Now notice I haven't actually read the question yet. I tend to do this with angle type questions. I'll just label on every angle that I possibly can and then work out what it was asking me for. That way we're not getting too bogged down of how to try and find the one we want. We're just using all of our angle facts. Okay, so let's have a look. Write down the value of y. Well, if that is 127, then opposite angles are equal, so y is also going to be 127 degrees. Give a reason for your answer. Now, we did a few different things there, but you could see if there was an easier way to work it out. So we could actually straight away have seen there was a back to front Z there, so y is 127 degrees. So that Z shape is going to be alternate angles are equal, or you could have done what we did, and corresponding angles are equal to get this angle here, and then opposite angles are equal to get the y. It's up to you, but make sure you're writing that down. So let me just write down now, alternate angles are equal, or whichever way you did it. So all corresponding angles are equal and opposite angles are equal. So you'll need both of those if that's the way you're going to go. All right, work out all of this. So again, this is where it's really good to have this kind of calculator. We can type it straight in. So let's have a look. We've got brackets 8 times 10 to the power times 10 to the power of 6, close brackets, divided by brackets 2 times 10 to the power of 18, close a bracket, I press sideways and then close a bracket, press, and we've got 4 times 10 to the minus 12. It's a 2-mark question and we've got it straight from our calculator. 4 times 10 to the minus 12, that's why it's really useful to have this kind of calculator.